Wagwan, my family. Welcome to another video. Big up to all my Jamaican fans and all other fans from around the world. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. In today's video, guys, I want to talk about Tia Clayton. Tia Clayton actually came into the limelight this year when he represented Jamaica in Paris 2024 100 meters women dash. And even though she didn't make it to the podium, she made it to the final. And looking at her trajectory, she has been running 11 seconds, but during the Jamaican nation qualification for Olympics, she ran a time of 10.86, making her one of the fastest women in 100 meters. And this year, guys, we have a series of Diamond League meetings. Diamond League meetings, for those who don't know, is a series of meetings, around 14 meetings that athletes run and in a bid to qualify for the final 2-day Wonder Diamond League, which will be held in Brussels on the second week of September. So in the course of this week that I'm recording this video, we have like 2 meetings, and on 30th of August, we'll be having Wonder Diamond League meeting in Rome, Italy. She is one of the contenders that will be taking part in 100 meters women dash. Actually, there's a video that his coach, Freno, or Stephen Francis, the coach that has been one of the best coaches in Jamaica, who spoke about her performance in Paris Olympics, and he shared out some of the things that made her not to do, not to be among the medalists. As I've said, she appeared in the final, but she did not make it to the podium. But we are so proud of her being her first time, and bearing in mind that there are some big Jamaican names that were expected to be on the final but didn't make it, like Shakari, Shelly Ann didn't make it, but Tia Clayton represented Jamaica and made it to the final. We are so proud of her. So these are some of the things that the coach shared about her not making it to the final. This is the video of Freno. For those who don't know, Freno is one of the coaches that has coached great stars in Jamaica, one of them being Asafa Powell, Shelly Ann, Price, and Eileen Thompson in the past. So this is the video. Listen to what his coach said about her. This video came out just immediately after the Paris Olympics.
What's next for Tia? Planning on any Diamond League races?
Oh, yeah.
What's next?
Yeah, Tia is in the process of learning how to be a professional. She froze, I believe, in the final. I mean, there were a lot of things which she wasn't accustomed to. I think primarily the weather. Like it had gotten cold.
The food as well?
Yeah, but I mean, she did run 10:89 in the semis. She ran the third best time in the championships.
Right.
But I think that the weather plus the reality that she was in contention, plus I mean, yeah, probably some phone things she saw, and that, you know, kind of let her freeze. But while I wish it was different, I realized it was possible.
Right.
And so I think she has learned a lot, and you know, one of the things that she has to learn, which I believe I'm going to try to implement among the athletes, is for them to delete social media before they start to run and that kind of stuff.
Because, take out a distraction.
Yeah, there's too much of distraction and they spend too much time on the phones and that kind of stuff. And you know, but I am proud of how she ran. Though I still don't think she has run as fast as she could.
Right.
But it's a big step running as well as she did at a meet at this level, where they have the it's one thing running against people who are not the best. But it's another thing when you stand up against the best people around, that's a little bit harder to run very well.
Right. So maybe another, as you say, 1 or 2 more Diamond League before the
She'll
end.
probably run in three more in an effort to make the Diamond League final.
So there you have heard it. The coach has said that she'll be containing in some of these Diamond Leagues. And Stephen Francis, the coach, has just said that Tia Clayton froze at the final. And there are some reasons that he has put across. One of them being when you're running alongside stars, you tend to freeze and seal. Being the first time in the championships, with the big names, I think maybe that was a bit one of the concerns or one of the issues that made her to perform the way she did. Another thing was the weather. Some people don't know that with the short races, the 100 meters, 200 and 400, it's good when the weather is a bit warm and a bit warm. That's one of the best weather for running in the short races, especially 100 meters. But with the long distance races, it's good when the weather is chilly, kind of cold kind of weather. That is when people run well. Also, one thing that also people don't know is about the altitude. The higher the altitude, the easier the people can run very fast. But with the lower altitude, people tend not to run as fast as possible. So the coach has said that the weather was cold. That was one of the effects, and then the kind of competitors that she was running alongside kind of froze her. And also, one of the things that Stephen Francis, the coach, wants to implement is about the phone. He thinks that it's not good for the athletes to start looking at the social media and some of the news. Some people post negative stuffs that can demotivate them before their races. And he was thinking of, I don't know if they'll implement in the whole team Jamaica or MVP only, where they'll disable or maybe make them not to access their phones, or rather the social media pages before competing. I think this is a great move, even though currently we are living in a world where there are some people who value their phones or value their internet more than even food. If you can leave somebody without even food for a whole day and give them internet, you find them that they'll just be okay, they'll just be happy. So I think you'll have to find a way to adjust and make sure that no one is contrary to that opinion. Otherwise, I wish Tia Clayton the best in all that she does. And also her twin sister, how I wish she could make it, and so that they can be running together. In the past when they were in high school, she was not running that fast as compared to her twin sister. But after high school, she's doing so well. So all the best to Tia Clayton and Team Jamaica. I wish you all the best. I wish you the wins. The good thing with the Diamond League is that there's some money involved. So all the best, and all the best to all the African sisters taking part in the meetings. Cheers, guys. This has been the video for today. See you on my next video. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do me a favor by subscribing, and also share this video out to other people. Thank you so much.